Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will make some experimentation with electromagnetic energy harvesting from our surroundings. What is this electromagnetic energy? Well, we are surrounded by electromagnetic signals. These signals are from cellular communication signals, radio waves, noise from electric power lines, signals from several communication equipment, and even signals from outer space. All of these signals carry an electromagnetic field that can induce a current on a coil. The phenomenon behind this is induction. As you may know, when you have a coil and the coil moves in the magnetic field of a magnet, for example, a current is induced on the coil. Let's see if we connect the multimeter to the ends of the coil. When we move the coil around the magnet, a small voltage appears in the coil. Notice that there has to be movement. If the coil is near the magnet but doesn't move, no current is induced. The movement between the coil and the magnetic field must be there. The coil can be static, and what it moves is the magnet. We obtain the same effect. What is important is the relative speed between the magnetic field and the coil. Here I have another coil with much more turns. When you have more turns, there is more inductance, and that means more voltage induced. So we will see that we can use this coil to turn on an LED. When we move the coil around the magnet, you can see how the LED shines. Well, I'm going to use this coil, which is the core of an electric motor, and it has a large inductance. There is an LED connected to the terminals of the coil, and I am also using this electromagnet that will be connected to AC power. Therefore, here we will have a varying magnetic field. Now the electromagnet is working, so here we have in this region a varying magnetic field. And if we take the coil close, we can see that the LED turns on. The closer is, the stronger is the light, because we have more induction. And it works up to a distance of around 5 to 6 centimeters. One way to increase sensitivity is to connect a capacitor in parallel with the coil. In this way, we have an LC tank, and if the capacity is of the right value, there will be a resonance in the LC circuit and the current will increase. I will put the coil at a distance when the LED is now off, and you can see that when I connect the capacitor, the LED turns on. It is now more sensitive and shines at a larger distance from the source of the electromagnetic field. Now we can take it apart at some 12 centimeters and the LED still shines. However, the system is still not sensitive enough to detect fainter electromagnetic fields, for example, to detect the wires inside the walls of a home where the current is flowing. For that, we will need a larger inductance and also to fine-tune the capacitance in order to obtain a good resonance in the tank circuit. But that will be the subject of a forthcoming video. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for visiting my channel and see you in the next one.